Nandito na tayo sa Daikoku, guys.
Ferrari.
Yan. Ang katabi namin is Ferrari, kaya mag-iingat kami kasi wala kaming pambayad dyan.
Hopefully later this week. So he said the hoses should be in this.
Yan, dyan na yung mga AFAMS, guys. O, pili na kayo. O, pili na kayo, guys. Blue? Nandito rin? Are you AFAM? Yan, nandyan sila. Nag-uusap-usap sila. Ang katabi namin sasakyan is Ferrari. Kaya nag-iingat kami dahil wala kaming pambayad dyan.
All the way out here.
As soon as he started revving on the way out, you see everybody just go back to their car and start.
What's up, guys? Here we have, so we parked over here, and this is my car here, the blue S15 Sylvia, and then we got Kirk's car here. It's a Subaru, very lightweight car here. There's no interior inside, as you can see inside, you know. And then we have my buddy Adrian's car here. And this is a Toyota Supra, older generation Supra. I'm gonna walk down the line here. Next to me, next to my car, is a Lotus Elise, I believe. Yeah, Elise S. It's a pretty nice car. Over here, you have this amazing GTR here. This is basically a race car as well. But you can't see, it's tinted. But yeah, so that guy is nice. I'm gonna come down over here. We got a Honda. Another Honda. This is a S2K here. S2000. Looking good. Got a Porsche Boxer here. And we have this older Ferrari. Very nice Ferrari here. 328 GTS. Beautiful car. Beautiful car. And there's Wonder Nene and Kichan. There they are. Okay.
Kichan's dream car. You can stand up there, Kichan.
But yeah, there's so many cars here today. So many different types of cars. We got the new GTR over here. And to this side, we have a Evolution Lancer here. This is a nice little car. It's a BMW over there. I'm gonna come around to the front over here. And there's a lot of GTRs in that back row. Here's a Skyline, not a GTR, but a GTS, I believe. A GTT, maybe? GTT. Yeah, there's a Porsche here. Very nice Porsche. Yeah, they can see. And we have an older GTR here. A very nice old GTR right here. And another GTT. Oh no, never mind. That's not here. That's a GTR. This is another GTR. We're gonna check out a really cool car right here. And there's a Cappuccino, Suzuki Cappuccino. But this is the cool car. This is a Lamborghini Countach. Yeah. Go. Kacha. Yeah. Very cool. Okay, let's get that. Very cool old car, man. Look at that.
It's the original tires.
Yeah.
1986.
Oh Lord, man. That's insane, bro. This thing is a time capsule.
It's got like 8,000 kilos.
Unbelievable, bro. Unbelievable, this car. Wow. That is crazy. The car is like brand new. It's almost all original car. And then that Lamborghini, all original. You know how much money that car is?
Just 10 yen.
10 yen. There we go. We have an older Lotus here. And then as we come down here,
My tree. Because it's 10 yen.
we got a Porsche. Very nice Porsche here. Very nice Porsche. Another Porsche. Ooh, this is an old Ford Escort here. Very nice. Special car. And then we got some GTRs, guys. Lots of GTRs. GTR, and GTR. Cool cars, cool cars. This guy's set up pretty good too. Alright, I'm gonna come down here and I'm gonna show you guys my favorite car. All time favorite car. Granted, there's some really nice cars here right now. Oh, there's another S15 right here. What? Oh, there's another Countach. Oh my god. I didn't even know there was another one here, man.
It's so cool. So fun.
Yeah. It's a really cool car, man. But this over here is the coolest of cool cars. And this is my favorite car over here. The Fair Lady. This right here. This is the dream of all dreams. The dream of all dreams, guys, right here. Fair Lady Z. Very cool car. I wish I could have one. But they're very expensive here in Japan. Okay, two old Porsches there. Oh, here's another super nice car. I was considering getting one.
Yeah.
They're like $30,000 right now. In this condition, this is like $30,000 to $40,000.
Ask him to trade.
Shit.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah, right. But yeah, no, this is also a really cool car here, guys. This is a, oh, there's a super clean Fair Lady there. Very cool car. And this one over here, another very clean. Look how clean that car is, babe. Just want to stand there. Want to say hello? Yes. That's my favorite car right there, man. Maybe one day.
Yes, Monday.
Maybe one day. Here's another Skyline, a black one. Oh yeah, these are R31 Skylines, so older than the R32, you know. Look at the engine. Has a RB20 engine in there, RB20 turbo. Very cool. This is the Subaru right there. And this is also a very nice car here. This is the Toyota Celica. Toyota Celica. Very cool engine. Look at the colors that guy has on his engine. That's cool. Alright, yeah, there's a lot of cool cars here, guys. I'm gonna give... Okay. Yeah, I'm gonna give the camera back to Wonder Nene here.
Yan, tayo naman guys.
Bro,
Buy
this guy
wonder
has it
tatay.
set up, man.
Yan.
It's set up here.
Yeah.
Diyan daw po.
But yours looks really
Hopefully later this week. So he said the hoses should be in this next week, and after the hoses come in, like 2 to 3 days, it'll be fine. Again.
Bye! Oh, pili na kayo. Uuwi na sila. Bye!